To open the whiteboard, begin by selecting your KnoteSter icon on the desktop. From here, select Whiteboard on the menu. This will open the Whiteboard software. To begin, in the top left corner, you will find two hand icons with S and M on them. If you select S, this allows for single point annotation. If you select M, this allows for multi-point annotation. By selecting the orange icon to the right, this will open your annotation wheel. From here, you can use the tools to write into the whiteboard just like an actual board. Here we'll do some warm-up math problems. To add more pages to your whiteboard, select the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the window. To switch between pages, select the back and forward arrows at the bottom of the page. To save your lesson, select Save and name your lesson accordingly. If you select the ellipses found at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can open your document camera for a picture-in-picture display. You can take a snapshot and embed it into your lesson, or you can stream live video. You can also take snapshots of your desktop, open images saved to your computer, and save edited images from the whiteboard into your desktop.